Hi guys, good morning. So we're going to be talking about a product that I think everybody should have in the house. It's called Goof Off if you haven't ever heard of it. It is a miracle remover. It removes a lot of different sticky surfaces and it's just awesome. So just be sure to check my video description for more information on it. Okay, so Goof Off is a household heavy duty remover. Removes sticky residue, ink and markers, and ink on fabric. So I know that in my house, at least, my husband always forgets to take the pens out of his pocket and he can ruin clothes and stuff. So this is really helpful for that. And then I actually made a mistake and I was doing my nails because the nail salons were closed and I got nail glue on my couch. Now it didn't come off all the way, but this really helped take most of it off. But unfortunately I left it the nail glue dries right away, so it was just, if you don't spray it right away on something like that, it's harder to get off. So it's super easy to use. I recently used it on my front door. I put up little decorations with Scotch tape and I couldn't get the Scotch tape off. This took it right off. So it's great for adhesive residue, tar, ink and marker, gum, scuff marks, lipstick, shoe polish, grease and oil. I'm trying to think what else I used it for. Any kind of sticky residue. I used it for the glue. I used it for the tape. I actually used it on my wax pot. I have a wax pot for hair removal, and I dripped it all over the pot. I sprayed this. A couple minutes later, I wiped it, and it came right off. So it's a product category of general purpose degreaser, so it's great too. My brother is a mechanic, he's always getting grease on his shirts. This always takes it right off and it's inexpensive. And then it tells you it's an eye irritant, so you just got to be really careful. If it does get in your eyes, just wash thoroughly with soap and water. And then this is a 4-ounce bottle of it. And you just take the top off, and easy to spray. Takes the residue right off whatever surface, and it doesn't damage anything, which is great. It leaves no discoloration or anything like that. It's sort of similar to Goo Gone, if you guys have heard of that, but I think that this is way better. And it just gets those tough stains out of clothes, and it gets that tough grease or sticky residue off of surfaces. I also use this on, I have a granite countertop in the bathroom and in the kitchen, and I also dripped hard wax, Brazilian body hard wax on the surface. After it dried, I sprayed this and it took it right up. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you what I was talking about on the couch. This was my huge mess. It's nail glue. Unfortunately, I was so upset when I did this because it was just a stupid thing. I left it open and I got up and my cat came over. She knocked the bottle over. I shouldn't have left it open. But it was all white and it was so much worse. And now I know it looks bad now, but oh my goodness, right after it happened, it looked terrible. It had all white residue, and it was just very bad. This at least made it go clear, and it's not as hard. But yeah, that's the one thing you want to watch out for. If you spill something like nail glue or crazy glue on a microfiber couch, you need to get the Goo Gone right away, or else it's going to dry and definitely leave a stain. But everything else, countertops, like this one, spill some wax or glue on there, no big deal. Just spray some of the Goof off and it will take it right off. So it really is a miracle remover. It says right on there, heavy duty and safe for surfaces. So I thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please feel free to leave a comment. Thanks guys, and have a great day.